Dear guys, today I am going to tell you the half portion of the chapter 4. Chapter 4 book is An Alien Hand, and the chapter's name is The Cope and the Anthem. As I told you yesterday I told you how Soapy tried his best. He tried many times to be arrested, but no Cope arrested him. Now what he is going to do? Then he came to another cope standing in front of a big theater. In front of a big theater there was a cope. Soapy wants to go there. He thought of something else to try. Now something else he wants to try again. Why? Because he wanted to go to Black Whales Island prison, where he wanted to spend 3 months. That is 3 months, that is winter. He will get there lodging, food, everything he will get there. That's why he wanted to go there. And no cope arrested him. Then he is going to try again. Punah prayas kar raha. He began to shout as if he had not so much to drink. That is, he began to try. He began to shout. Chillane laga. As if he had much to drink. Just and his voice was as loud as he could make it, and loudly he started crying. He danced, he cried out, and he started dancing also. Chillana shuru kiya, nachna shuru kiya. Hey, what happened? You see? And the cope turned his back to Soapy. He moved to other side. Cope was there, and he turned on other side. दूसरे तरफ मुंह कर लिया. Why? And said to the man standing near him, a man who was standing there, he said to him, it's one of those college boys. The cope said that he was one of his college boys. He won't hurt anything. He did not like to hurt him. We have orders to let them shout. That is, he said that he had orders to let them shout. चिल्लाने देने के लिए उसको order था, ऐसा उसने कहा. So he was quiet. शांत हो गया फिर. After some time, he became quiet. Was no cope going to touch him? No cope was going to touch him. No cope was going to arrest him. No cope was going to ask him how he was doing so, how he was crying. Or he began to think of the Iceland as if it were as far as a star. Just like the prison Iceland where he wanted to go, it was as far as a star. Jitna tara ek dur hai, just like that he was thinking his prison was. He pulled his thin coat around him, and wind was very cold. Then he saw a man buying a newspaper. He saw that a man was buying newspaper. उसने देखा एक आदमी अखबार खरीद रहा था. The man's umbrella stood beside the door, and he had kept his umbrella beside the door. कुछ खरीद रहा था अखबार और अपना छाता umbrella दरवाजे पर खड़ा रख दिया था. Then Soapy stepped inside the shop. Soapy दुकान के अंदर गया and took the umbrella ले लिया and walked slowly away and went away from there, taking umbrella of that man who was buying newspaper. वो आदमी जो अखबार खरीद रहा था उसका umbrella ले लिया और वहाँ से चल पड़ा, भाग गया. And the man followed him quickly. When that man saw that Soapy was taking his umbrella and going away from there, he followed him. उसके पीछे वो भी दौड़ा. My umbrella, he said. Oh, is it? Said Soapy. Why won't you call a cop? तुम कॉप क्यों नहीं बुला लेते? पुलिस क्यों नहीं बुलाते? पुलिस बुलाओ, मुझे अरेस्ट करवा दो. यही वो चाहता था कि पुलिस उसे अरेस्ट कर ले और जेल भेज दे. I took it, your umbrella. Why don't you call a cop? क्यों नहीं पुलिस बुलाते, कॉप बुलाते? There's one standing at the corner. One cop is standing there in the corner. Call him. उसे बुलाओ और मुझे अरेस्ट करवाओ. The man walked more slowly. Soapy did the same, but he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. He was thinking, सोचने लगा कि वो पुनः फेल होने जा रहा है. ये अभी उसका प्रयास, this try which he is doing is going to fail. ये भी प्रयास उसका असफल होने जा रहा है. The cop looked at the two men. दो मन थे, उसकी ओर कोप देखा. I said, the umbrella man, that's you know how these things happen. If that's your umbrella, यदि तुम्हारा ये umbrella है, I'm very sorry if it is your umbrella. आई फाउंड इट दिस मॉर्निंग द रेस्टोरेंट. उसने कहा कि मैंने इसे रेस्टोरेंट में पाया था सुबह में. इफ़ यू से इट इज़ योर्स, आई होप यू. हाँ